Okay, let me put you on to the Super Danny Surge Protector. This beast has 22 outlets and 6 USB ports, including a USB-C, perfect for powering your entire setup, your laptop, phone, monitor, speakers, gaming gear, all at once. It's UL certified, has smart charging that adjusts to your devices, and the outlets are spaced out just right, so bulky plugs don't block each other. The flat plug design makes it easy to fit behind furniture, and it's wall mountable, with everything included to set it up clean. And get this, 2100 joules of surge protection and an insane 1,000-day warranty. That's over 3 years of peace of mind. If you're tired of messy cords and running out of outlets, this is definitely the upgrade you need.